So I wanted to shoot a quick video. I don't have my cameras all set up. I'm actually in my garage using my phone. This is a Yamaha Motif. Let me see which one this is. Motif 8 that I'm working on. It's not mine, but I'm working on for someone else. And I'm learning that there is a super tight tolerance for this part to fit into this part and snap. I'll show you that in a second. But also, I'm not a fan of these Yamaha keyboards that use these keys because the corner of this piece over time will crack off. Like I've seen it. I have a whole bucket of keys. This keyboard, if you look close, actually they're not bad now that I'm getting them snapped in, but some of them don't match because it's been Frankenstein together with keys from other models that use the same key. But see if I can show you this, doing this one-handed. It snaps in really hard, and if you can't wiggle it, you can push it, but if you can't wiggle it easily with your finger, then you know it's in right. Now here's one, see? It shouldn't do that. And in fact, you can see it doesn't line up here. And so, that one, that's the B. If you look close, there's a little arrow, and I happen to have this tiny little screwdriver. I'm trying to do this one-handed, but you put it down where the arrow is and push the key back, and it pops it off. And what I'm finding is sometimes there's grease and things in here, and other times this thing just needs to be bent up a little higher. And then sometimes there's junk in this cavity area here. This one looks pretty clean, so let's see if we can get it back down there. So what you have to do, again, I'm trying to do this one-handed. You get the front on either side of that little platform, and then you pull the key as far forward as you can, while pushing down hard, and it snaps in. Now, notice it's not shifting with my finger like this one is. This one's not too bad, but this one here, see? So you basically have to go through and tweak and clean every one of them. When you're done, though, you notice this looks nice and smooth. This side is all kind of mismatched. So that's what I'm doing today. Hopefully this will help someone if you ever work on one of these that uses this type of keys. So this is a second video edited in, but you can see I was putting this key back in, E, and as I did it, it wasn't laying properly. And sure enough, see, this piece broke all the way up, basically the entire side. So I will have to pull, hopefully I have a spare. I'll check my bucket today. It's not where I am right now, but I'll have it later today. And you could, I suppose, super glue these, but you never know if that'll hold or not. So this is why I don't like these keyboards.